My name is Richard. My role is a Senior MPD and Applications Technologist. I look at how our ingredients can work in application, and all of this is to look at different ways our ingredients can provide benefits to our customers, whether it's for improved flavour, improved texture, reduced bake time. So for us at the moment, the big focus is Maltichoc. So this is our cocoa replacement ingredient. Cocoa prices have skyrocketed. They've started off around £2.80 a kilo at the beginning of the year, heightened at £12 a kilo at its most, which is a huge difference. Malt is a very sustainable ingredient. If we take something such as your Maltichoc and compare that to your cocoa powder, we are considerably, probably around 80% more sustainable than that, a much lower carbon footprint. So with this carefully created blend, we can replace cocoa powder up to around 50% in its formulation. We often find you get an additional benefit with this. So in brownies, for example, where cocoa is quite high, not only can you get your cocoa replacement, but improved humectancy, so you can keep that softer and moister for longer, but also that longer lasting flavour profile.